Hello, welcome to her haven. Today, let's go take a look at my grapes and let's see if it's time to pick some yet. Here we are. Take a look at this. Aren't they beautiful? This is all just from one plant. As you can see here, some of them disappeared. That's because I have been chowing down as I work on my garden. These are the table grapes and they turn red when they are ready. As you can see here, they're starting to turn red. Look at this. And when it turns red like this, it is ready and it is super sweet. So many grapes. One plant produce so many already. I actually have like 3 or 4 plants, but the other plants aren't producing fruit yet. I'm not sure why. This one actually grow a lot bigger than the other ones. Some of these grapes are ready to be picked, so let's see if we could do that. So here we are, snapped, snap, snap, and snap away. Oh, look at this bunch. It is huge. Try one. Let's see how it is. It's yummy. Here's our first batch of grapes this year. Thanks for coming along. See you next time.